Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the market for today. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, Lizzie, Sally in the house, Xander, Juan, Norma in the house. No sound. No, I wasn't speaking. Waiting for everybody to tune in. Xander, good morning, everybody. So let's get right to it. Guys, before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to the business. Pod monsters, spreading love every time. Welcome, brother. Have you been? Where have you been, man? So for today, we got CHR and NVVE, both of them looking great. The rest of the market with APPS, of course, because had earnings yesterday after hours. It might be good to watch for this majestic stock. It's a cruise ship company hitting almost the $8. So those the top three for today. The top one is CHR, just came early today in the pre-market. Now it's getting near the 30 cent once again. So guys, hit the like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already in order to be notified once we go live. Top loser for today, we got Robai and BHVN and Trex. Let us check those stocks. It might be good to watch for the dip. And Trex. I'm gonna double check those stocks. Yeah, already reversed. This one, it was almost 70% down. It already reversed from a huge bottom. Let's see how much we dipped. Almost 66%. And now, yeah, or 70%. And now it's recovering up. Guys, this one already recovered big time. We have a huge recovery after this huge dip that happened, I think, yesterday or today pre-market. Yeah, just happened today in pre-market and might go up a bit toward the 43. Yeah, this one looking great, guys. Someone buying the dip for Rubai. Trex, on the other hand, 33%. The same, have bad earnings, I think. That's why it pulled back. But it's not like Rubai. Is a bit light on volume, so I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna keep Rubai here because it started to reverse big time. BHVN, again, one of the top loser. BHVN, see if there's opportunity for a dip buying. BHVN 40%, the same reverse already. Keep my eyes closed on this one, but again, it's not that active like the other. So I'm gonna keep only Rubai, guys. This one is already reversed big time from the 14 cent, now it's 31 cent. It's getting near the major resistance, 42 cent for today. The other TERN, put it on the waiting list because it's a bit slow. CMBM, it was great yesterday. Today might be good as well. DTCK, slow as well. TCMD, slow. So yeah, I'm gonna keep those stocks with the Beyond Meat because it's getting near the breakout zone around the 157. I'm gonna double check one thing, which is the stock that had the earnings, I think, yesterday. AMD had earnings yesterday, guys, but it pulled back with AMGN. AMD and AMGN. Both of them, I think, semiconductor. No, AMGN is a pharmaceutical company. Jumped and dumped, didn't break the 312. AMD, yes, dumped and reversed a bit up. Didn't do any surprise action. Any big company yesterday reporting earnings? Guys, let me know. SMCI, yeah, reported earnings yesterday after hours. Yeah, SMCI, guys. Let's see, SMCI 6% down and another 7% down yesterday. What a huge dip for SMCI. Yeah, it's getting near strong support now, around 39. It's going back down. Yeah, SMCI pulled back a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my eyes now close to CHR and NVVE. NVVE have to break today around the 34 to squeeze up. Otherwise, it's gonna pull back a lot today. Yeah, it's near a strong support around the 29. If we don't hold it, we're gonna pull back. APPS already did the jump because have earnings. And the Rubai, the main loser for today, started to pull back now around the resistance, the 32. We have the 32, we have 44. We have a lot of levels to watch out for. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it on the list here. How everybody doing, guys? Don't forget to hit the like on the way in. Welcome. Muhammad Baker, how are you doing, man? Taking time off? Bonjour, Bitcoin reversing? Not yet. Remember, press the like button. Muhammad said, thank you, man. MSBR, nothing much. Potential reversal for BQ. Let's see. BQ was the top loser and then top gainer. Have a lot of thing going on. You see here, guys, it flushed, then reversed, then flushed. Because I think had the reverse split lately. For now, has have a resistance to break around $4.10. Current resistance is there around the 410, and after that 520. Current support $3.32. But yeah, BQ is too dangerous, guys. This one has got halted so many times before. BQ, I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list here. If we broke the 410, let me know, guys. Otherwise, I'm not put it on the main list. The other stocks, some of you ask about MSBR, didn't break the 84. The same. This one, if it broke the 84, let me know, guys. But for now, it is weak, so I'm not keeping it on the main list. Yesterday, we had the chance to break the 84, but we didn't. Again, today we got few stocks reporting earnings like TM, NVO, McDonald's. Who ate at McDonald's, guys? I'm surprised about people still eating at McDonald's, man. Or the other big stock like Burger King, and they're not restaurant, man. The smell of oil is kind of disgusting. I don't know how people go there and eat. The only time I go to McDonald's, guys, once, like I still remember that it was in Amsterdam, and was hungry and 4 o'clock in the morning. of course, smoking some weed and was hungry and I can't use my mind, you know. So I ate at McDonald's and still even uh, I'm a bit high and still taste the food not that good, man. I can't enjoy it. I don't know. Even if I'm high on weed, I still don't like McDonald's. Imagine if like I'm not high and at the same time I make the decision to go McDonald's. I can't comprehend. I think if you go there is mean either you didn't taste really good food or yeah, you don't taste really good food. So this is kind of sad, you know. If you really tasted really good food, you can't go to McDonald's anymore. So everybody have their own taste and decision, but some things are like graffiti, you know, you can explain, but it's scientifically proven. There is a gravity. You don't tell me it's a hoax. I can show you by math and physics that gravity exists. The same with bad food or McDonald's. I can explain and show you with mathematics and chemistry that the food is really tastes not good. Unless you don't want to hear what I'm saying, this is your problem, not mine. More food for me, more good food for me. Anyway, but yeah, McDonald's are reporting earnings today, and guess what? We got big buyers for Mac. Mac is not a restaurant, guys. It is real estate business. As a reminder, that's why now is going up because the real estate is going up. That's simple as that. The system is real estate. They don't sell food, they buy land. I just watched the movie about this, guys. It's crazy about story of Mac. Anyway, McDonald's is going up, looking great. If we broke the 312, HTZ guys had huge earnings yesterday. That's why it jumped almost 40%. Already did the chart for our elite members because they asked me about this yesterday. And we suggest to take profit around the 711 as you see here. We got shorted and we went down. You shortly eat rice. Exactly, man. You understand what I'm saying because you're in the restaurant business, so you understand exactly. This is nonsense, man. But I explain. The people go to McDonald's because they actually never taste good food, man. Imagine if you are in prison and they give you just, I don't know, bread and water just to survive, and then they offer you Mac. Of course, I will be happy. I will be like, holy moly, bring me more. Bring me more of McDonald's. But if you're not in a prison and have the choice to eat whatever you want and have the money to eat whatever you want, come on, man. Come on, man. You will never choose McDonald's. So this is the best good example. If you are in prison, yes, I'm gonna eat McDonald's. And McDonald's will be tasting really good. If only if I'm in a prison. Anyway, Unity, brother, we got 4370 as a resistant profit taken. Whoa, 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 whoa. Unity already jumped 17%. Yeah, from pre-market earnings today. God. Unity, guys, what a huge jump for Unity. Yes, sir. Unity had a huge earnings, guys. And now it hit great resistance around the 43. So yeah, the 43, it is the current resistance, 43.70. Current support is the 41.23 and the 38.13 for unity, everybody. If we broke the 43, we have the 46. Let's see, NVO, I think had earnings, but now it's going down. FIS had earnings, I think, as well, but I don't know when. But I don't like the technical. TRGB, the same. Yeah, had earnings, I think, but is neutral. We got HUM, had earnings, but is down. CCJ, down. SRE, nothing much. COR, nothing much. JCI, 5% up. George, sometimes it's good with the children. I don't know about that, man. If I have children, I will I will give them. I will go to smoking ribs restaurant and let them eat ribs with their hands and make them hunters. You know, bring them like a full animal to eat. Okay, what we got here? Let me just check. EMR, no good. McDonald's, yes, going up. Anyway, so let us go back here. Checking CHR, guys, is pulling back. Yeah, big seller right now around 35. NVVE holding the support. ABBS had earnings. Guys, ABBS had earnings. Great earnings yesterday after hours, beating the estimate for the revenue and the earnings. Have a huge seller around the 8. If we broke the 8, we might have parabolic price action again. Yes, now we got this channel. Yes, we're inside this bullish channel right now, consolidating up. Let's see. Current support is, yeah, 10% down. If we hold this support would be great. Over the $7. Robai is pulling back beyond meat. ABBS, I think I'm gonna put it with earning stocks. ABBS. We got LNAI. LNAI just came to the scan. Whoa, some big buyers buying this one, guys. It is about to hit a major seller around 127. Okay, LNAI, guys, could be the one here. Just came right now. A biotech company. 95, we got a huge seller around 126. Current support is the 95. Let's see if we pull back. Yeah, 95 is the current support. 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute. I'm gonna keep LNAI with CHR number one right now. This strong stock for today. LNAI could reverse at the market open. Guys, don't forget, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So make sure to subscribe in order to be notified once we go live. And support the channel, guys. The least you can do is support the channel by subscribing. We have almost 60% people who are watching right now. They're not subscribers. So don't be one of them. Don't be one of those people who just watching and do nothing. You have to do something, guys. Even if you don't like the live streaming, please do and comment and tell me, Jesus, please cut your hair, or Jesus, I don't like your voice, or whatever. Do something, say something. It's better than saying nothing, you know? Some people just watching and they don't like to express their opinion, and they try to be nice. Being nice is not nice, man. Being authentic is being honest. Anyway, LNAI, guys, it could be the one right now, guys. LNAI could be the one. We have a huge buyer for it. LNAI. LNAI might get halted up right now. Let's go. LNAI tested the resistance around the 130 and went down. If we broke this level, we might squeeze toward the 136. CHR, guys, it's pulling back down toward the support. If we held it, would be great over the 23. And otherwise, we might have a huge pullback toward the second support here around the 20 cents. NVVE holding the support as well. Rubai didn't break the 32. Let's see the other BQ. Nothing much. This one, that one. You see, we don't have a big buyer yet for the rest of the stocks. But yeah, LNAI, look at that. We have huge wick from above, huge wick from below. So technically, we don't have confirmation for a big buyer or seller because we have a struggle. We're gonna confirm a big buyer if we broke the 130 and big seller if we broke the 95. Now, this is the second time. If we tested the 129, we might squeeze up and get halted. LNAI, guys, have a big chance to get halted because I think the float is really pretty low for this one, which, yeah, just 12 million worth of float, share float, which means is easy to get squeezed. Is easy to get squeezed. CHR, it lost a bit of momentum because this one just jumped 1 hour and 30 minutes before the market opened. But as long as we hold the 23, will be great for CHR. Aha, NVVE, guys, broke the support, so it's a bit dangerous right now. I'm gonna keep Robai on the list better, taking NVVE from the list. Robai need to break the 32, guys, to squeeze up. Yeah, CHR and LNAI are the one to watch. CHR is pushing back up. Okay, Unity broke the support, guys. I think you asked me about the chart, rather, so you need the chart. If you need the chart, I will send it to you right now. Watch out for those two support for Unity. Yeah, current resistance is around the 43. Resistance plus profit If we go up, yeah, 43.70. And after that, if we squeezed, we have the 46. But now watch out for the current support over the 38.13. Yeah, this is where we should hold to have a reversal. APBS, yeah, didn't break the resistance here. It's pulled back. Currently, it's still holding the $7, so not completely bad. LNAI didn't break, but currently holding below the resistance. CHAR is reversing up. Let us check the main gainers for today. SMX. Yeah, nothing happening. So we keep watching LNAI and CHR. Those two might be the one. Yeah, those two might be the one for today. As the chart say the story. This chart here say everything. Look at that chart looking beautiful for CHR for a breakout here. Okay, LNAI guys is preparing for a breakout from the $1.26. It's preparing for a huge breakout. Watch out, LNAI number one now. If we broke the 129, we might have a squeeze toward the 136. This is it. I'm gonna have another support here. 108 should be the current first support, and after that, the 94. 136, this is the next level. If we broke this level, we might do at least 7%. After that, 17%. CHR didn't break the channel here, so it's a bit dangerous. Current resistance that we should break is around 28.87 to be precise. This one is dicey. This one is a bit dicey. LNAI jumped, hit our profit taking. Guys, make sure to take profit on this one because we hit the 136. Yes, we have 15% on this trade. Make sure to take profit right now, guys. 134, we hit the 136. So I'm exiting on this trade, guys. It's not good to be a bit, yeah, it's not good to be hungry. Yeah, 148 is the top level, but yeah, it might get rejected just below the 148. LNAI, guys, is really strong for now. I'm gonna put another support for it just around the 124. LNAI is the number one stock for today. The rest is history. LNAI is number one. Rami is one of our member on YouTube, but thank you for the support, brother. EGHT. What's going on with this one? EGHT. Uh-huh. Light a lot. There's no volume on this one, man. It's dead. But if you want to trade it, watch out for the $2.38 because if we broke it, we're gonna have an interesting level to go to around the $3. But now it's dead in volume. But yeah, LNAI is the only one for today. Almost hit our profit taking the 148, which is the current resistance. It might hit it right now. CHR, guys, game over. It broke the support. It went down, man. Disappointed start, but it might change later. So I'm gonna still keep it on the list. So the only stock for today is LNAI, guys. For my opinion, is the strongest stock for today. It might do the main, yeah, it might do a huge jump right now. It's jumping again. Anyway, so NAI hit a major resistance around the 155. Now we might have a pullback. CHR pulling back as well. Rubai didn't go up beyond the resistance. But yeah, the only one is LNAI for today. CYCU, I think we already traded this one, CYCU, before. But yeah, not good. It already had reverse splits. Major seller came for this one, brother, around the 3.43. So I don't recommend trading around this level right now, dipping a lot. Let us check the stock that's been halted for today and see if there's opportunity. MTC, I'm gonna check only one MTC. The rest I think they're not good. MTC, yes, doing fantastic here. Hit the resistance, pulling back, but it's been halted a lot with light volume, so I'm gonna pass on this one. LNAI, yeah, hits the second profit taken for today. That's why he's kind of weak. Going back to the top gainers for today. SMX currently holding. BW, nothing. RIGL, nope. Most of the stock are huge gain, but technically not good for entry. GPUS, what is that? GPUS, 10% up. Again, it is not a unicorn, brother. Have a reverse split, it's heavily diluted. Yeah, recently got shorted a lot. So don't even think about trading this one below the 44 because it's too dangerous. If we don't break the 44, it mean it won't go up. If we broke the 44, yes, we have the 55 after that. The GBUS might jump if we broke the 44, but not now. LNAI, time for a pullback. Yes, sir. CHR pulling back. I'm gonna lower the resistance for it. Anyway, you see what's going on, guys? A huge flush right now for this one. CHR had a chance to squeeze around the 27 at the market open, but we didn't. So technically today, this is kind of the first time we see the market give us just one stock, only one stock to marry. Imagine if you have just one girl or one guy to marry. You don't have the problem to choose, to start a family and have no regrets. But the problem right now in stock market, in trading, in making a business, in deciding what kind of work you want to do in life or what passion you have to follow, like sport or games or choosing a partner. Now the problem is we have a lot of options, too many options. Like even like some people are have like inflated ego, They call themselves tens and they need six figures guy or girl or I don't know, like 6 feet, six figures and whatever. High inflated ego, because a lot of people say I can't deserve or I can't get whatever I want. It's kind of imaginary thinking, like Disney World thinking. And this is kind of make it hard for people to decide because they don't know. They don't know what they want. This is the problem here. This is the problem is we have too many options and too many choices. But today a good example is we have only one options or one choice, which is one stock LNAI, and it was really good. Sometimes we don't have many options and we have only one options, but it's bad. But if you don't compare it with other options, if you have one options, it will be always the best because you don't know. You can't compare. So this is telling me once you have many options, you can't be happy because you're always comparing. And there's always someone have better and bigger and have it better and bigger than you. So you'll never be satisfied. So it's kind of a loop. That's why a lot of people not happy right now. It's kind of sad, man. It's kind of sad. Whoa, we got a big seller, guys, for the markets. CHR breaking the second support here, and LNA breaking the first support and going to the second support. Yeah, we have little window of making money with LNAI. After that, the window closed. You have to be really quick sometimes, guys, in the market. Otherwise, you lose your opportunity. This is the trick in the market. KVUE. KVUE. Let's check this one out. What's going on with this 300? I will pass on this one, man. Yeah, yeah, it's preparing. Maybe it's preparing. If it held the current support now, it might be repairing over the $15. Yeah, the preparation will be set free once we break the 1637. So yeah, this one not bad, man, because it jumped after good earnings back in Monday. Huge earnings for this stock. Jumped from $14. Wow, we did 33% and we then pulled back 16%. Yeah, this one was really great. Let's see. We did 33%, then we pulled back 10%. Yeah, KVUE, it might be a great to watch for now. Let's see the other pullback zone. Yeah, it might be here around the 14. Thank you for the reminder, brother. This one looking interesting, actually. Yes, if we broke here around the 1640. Yeah, I will keep it on the list. Thank you, man. Good catch. A really good catch. Wow, NVVE game over here, broke the support. BQ, not my cup of tea now. 8 tries, FIG. I will check it right now for you. Aha, this one got some news, brother. Yeah, jumping right now. Okay, bottom here around 44.69. We have a support around the 45.22. And the current resistance and profit taking just below the 46. This is the main level, brother. Because if we don't break it, we're gonna go down. If we broke it, yes, we're gonna reverse up and go at least around the 46 and 47. Yeah, this gonna lower it even down here. I have those levels. Thank you. Just there. Resistant, it is around 46.25. Resistant plus profit taking. Yeah, I think the earnings is after hours today. Mm-hmm. You know what? I'm gonna adjust the resistance here. Yeah, at least 9%. This stock has been selling off for days here. Yeah, I think the main level that we might go to is around at least the $50, yes. But the current resistance that we should break is like here. Just resistant here, not profit taken. So 46.40. Yeah, this one could be a major level to break to confirm if we have a good earnings. So the first chart that I send is for the small picture. So I'm gonna give you the big picture here. Anyway, wow, Hertz, we got a huge pullback for it. Yeah, correcting. So I'm gonna lower the resistance for it around this level. Going back to the main list, LNAI checking. Yeah, LNAI is flashing down, guys. Be careful. I think it's getting really weak now. yeah, is getting pretty weak for now with CHR. Yeah, both of them have a huge seller. Let us check the stocks on the main top list here. Yeah. So now the main gainers are slipping down, guys. Slipping down, going down. Maybe SLDP might be good to watch after the earnings. Yeah, huge earnings after hours yesterday. 14%. I think this one is, yeah, it's not yes, not small cap company, so blue chip company. Jumping after a huge earnings, SLDB. Yeah, we're gonna do a major update later on, guys, for those stocks on our Discord and Patreon, like what we did yesterday. We're gonna do a major update. We did for SCNX yesterday and MSBR, which did yeah, it didn't break the 84 yesterday. So we have to do a major update for the stock that we traded today after we finish the live streaming. So the hunt will continue, guys. The hunt is not over. We're gonna continue the hunt later on Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Don't overtrade and let the price come to you and never run after the price. See you back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, everybody. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and support the channel. The least you can do to support the channel is by subscribing, guys. And of course, see you.